Choosing a fence material isn't just about looks. It affects resale value, maintenance costs, environmental impact, and even how your home performs in a storm. Let's get into the real facts most homeowners miss. Wood remains the most popular fencing material in the US, particularly cedar and redwood. It offers privacy, noise reduction, and is easy to customize or repair. But it's vulnerable to termites, rot, and UV damage. Even treated lumber can deteriorate without regular sealing. Expect to stain or paint every 2 to 3 years to extend its life. Newer pressure-treated wood lasts longer but may still warp in humid or wet climates. Chain link is one of the lowest-cost fencing options, used in residential, commercial, and government settings. Galvanized steel resists rust for decades. Vinyl-coated versions add color and extra protection. It's ideal for security and pet containment, but offers no visual privacy without slats or shrubbery. Chain link is often used in combination with privacy fencing in urban homes to reduce costs. It's also recyclable, making it more eco-friendly than expected. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl fencing is moisture-resistant and never needs painting or sealing. It won't rot, fade, or attract insects. However, cheap vinyl fences can become brittle in cold weather and crack under impact. It's also one of the easiest to clean. Just hose it down. Not all vinyl fences are created equal. Look for UV inhibitors and internal reinforcements to avoid sagging. Composite fences are made from a mix of recycled plastics and wood fibers. They offer the appearance of wood but resist warping, cracking, and insect damage. Unlike vinyl, composite fences are denser and heavier, which means they stay stable over time. However, they can get hot in direct sunlight and cost more up front. It's one of the most eco-conscious choices for long-term installations. Aluminum fencing mimics wrought iron in looks, but it won't rust, chip, or need refinishing. It's ideal for sloped properties due to rackable panels. Though not ideal for privacy, it's great for pools, front yards, or garden boundaries. The powder-coated finish resists corrosion even in salty or humid environments. Lightweight yet strong, making it easy to install and cost-effective long-term. Still not sure what's right for you? Confence Inc. has the expertise to match the perfect material to your needs. Visit kaonfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 today.